Hi! Did you know there is a difference between USCIS and NVC? Don't worry if you didn't, because today we'll learn all about them. USCIS, or the U.S. Citizenship and Immigration Services, and NVC, or the National Visa Center, complete each other for your immigration process, especially when you apply for immigration visas such as a green card outside the U.S. Not only do USCIS and NVC basically play different roles, but depending on your residence, your application goes under review by one of the two agencies. As a lot of applicants describe, the unpredictable review process and the processing time make them feel like they are in the dark. But if you understand the role of each agency correctly, your knowledge can act as a light to figure out a way out of the long tunnel without just waiting for the outcome desperately. USCIS belongs to DHS, or the Department of Homeland Security, that handles the initial processing of a case, whereas NVC, or the National Visa Center, is a part of AOS, or the Department of State, that performs pre-processing tasks for visas on behalf of U.S. embassies. NVC does much of the basic processing for immigrant visas and green cards, but it is also responsible for some non-immigrant visas. Here's how two agencies come into play for visa applications outside the U.S. You're filing a family-based petition such as a Form I-130 for a relative or Form I-129F for a fiancé. Once USCIS approves a visa petition, it needs to move the case to DOS for consular processing. Consular processing encompasses the activities to complete the visa overseas. Visa petitions include Form I-129F, which is the petition for alien fiancé, Form I-130, which is the petition for alien relative, and Form I-140, which is the petition for alien worker. After USCIS approves a petition, it will send you a Notice of Approval, or an I-797. At the same time, USCIS will move the files to NVC. It may take a month or more for NVC to receive your case from USCIS. Upon receipt, NVC will assign your case an NVC case number and send you a welcome letter notifying you that they have your petition and what to do next. However, an approved petition does not necessarily mean that NVC will begin processing the green card. The beneficiary must have an immigrant visa immediately available. So to learn more about your wait time, check out the Visa Bulletin 101 link that I left in the description. While NVC is in charge of consular processing, USCIS oversees adjustment of status cases for individuals who reside in the U.S. If you opted for adjustment of status on a family-based permanent residence, USCIS will not forward your case to NVC. Instead, it will send it to the USCIS offices located in the U.S. for its further process. If you were going through consular processing on Form I-130 and subsequently changed your mind to pursue adjustment of status, you are likely to be eligible if 1. You are lawfully present in the U.S. through a lawful entry, 2. You have an approved visa petition, and 3. The visa petition is current. Once you file Form I-485 to adjust your status, USCIS will take back the case from the National Visa Center. If you received a welcome letter from NVC asking about your intentions, you may indicate that you have decided to file Form I-485 inside the U.S. Now you know what agency will be processing your case, and this will ease your immigration journey. And do you know what else makes your immigration process very smooth? Tracking your USCIS or NVC case with our Lawfully Case Tracker app. It's super easy to use. You just need to download it from the App Store or Google Play. Create your account, add your case number, and start tracking. Plus, it's available in English, Spanish, French, Korean, and Russian. Don't forget to leave your questions in the comments below. See ya!